Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mince pie blondies. Let's begin. So to start on the blondies, you'll want to get yourself a small bowl, and into the bowl place your butter and your white chocolate and melt them over a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring continuously until they are melted. Once they are melted, pour into a larger bowl, add in your sugars and whisk all of it together until it's well combined. Once it's all combined, you can then add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first, just to remove any lumps that may have built up in the dry mix. Sift them in and then fold them in by hand using a spatula. You'll want to mix them together until there's a clear dough, and it does become quite doughy, but this does change once you start to add the eggs. Now you'll want to start adding your eggs. Normally I would add one at a time and beat one in between each addition, but two of them fell out. It doesn't matter, you can add them all in at the same time and just mix them in until they're fully incorporated. So once you've got your blondie batter made, you can then start to pour it into your 8x8 tin that has been lined with some parchment, and just level out the blondie batter so it's more consistent. So this bit is optional, but I like to add some mincemeat so each portion has a generous amount. You can leave this out completely, as it does sink in some parts, more in the middle than on the edges. So once they've been baking and you have around 10 minutes remaining, you can remove them from the oven and start to put on the mince pies. I quartered mine and then put them on top, but feel free to put them in whole or in half, whichever works best for you. And there's no real right or wrong way of putting them on. If you want to do it more even, you can probably do it in 4x4s, but whichever way works best for you. So once the blondies are fully baked, you'll want to allow them to cool completely in the tin. Then just to remove them, just loosen at the edges by running a knife down it. Then put it on to a cutting board and just cut up into slices. You can get 8 portions from this, and they are generous portions. So feel free to cut them in half and you'll get 16, and they are still a good amount per serving. So the blondie is a perfect alternative to a brownie, but if you like brownies, don't worry, I have a festive brownie recipe coming up. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. This is the first instalment of Bakemas 2019. I've got plenty more coming up for you during the month of December, so don't forget to check out the recipe. It'll be a link in the description to my blog where you can check out all the recipes, and check out my social medias for what I'm posting. That's all for today, bye guys.